What's going on YouTube? This is going to be a short update video on my Silverado. I'll be trying out the new wheels today that I got last time. So they are 20-inch Texas Editions Decladded. That's why they look a little bit different. I haven't seen many trucks with them, so I'll just be trying them on as stocks. Rear wheels are 275, 55, 20, and the front wheels are different. They're going to be 275, 45, 20. But I'll go ahead and do that right now and see what it looks like. Like I said, I haven't seen any, so we're going to see how it looks like on the truck. Also, I did end up putting on the two Edelbrock intakes because I think they look better and they do sound better. So that's it for now, but I'll go ahead and try on the wheels and we'll see what it looks like. Also, thanks to all the new subscribers, likes, and comments. If you're new to the channel, let me know down below and let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is what she looks like with the wheels on. I think it looks pretty cool. I like the big wheel in the back. Let me know what you think under the comments if you like it or not. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like how the bigger tire tucks up in the back. It looks pretty good. I do have to polish the wheels and put those center caps and stuff, but I'll probably do that later. For now, this will do. I think it gives it a nice stance for being stock wheels, and I haven't seen many trucks with them, so that's what they are. I don't know specifically which Texas Editions they are, but they are Texas Editions Decladded. So if you know which ones they are, you can also comment down below. And these wheels right here, they actually do fit better than the previous Texas Editions that I had, because they are 8.5 by 20, and the offset is the same as 31 plus 31 millimeters, but since they're 8.5 wide, they actually tuck in more. You can see right here, these actually tuck in into the fender well. They still touch because I have to cut the fenders, but they tuck way better, which is good, and I need that. And that'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gone.
1942 in my cup, now I'm swerving. I think I fucked up, taking shots of the bourbon. One thing that's certain, I ain't really tripping off shit. All I wanna do is get rich with a bad little bitch. Tell me you ain't feeling this shit. Tell me it ain't finna be lit. Tell me how you feeling this bitch. Put your motherfucking drinks up, slam it for the kid. I be on my spaceship, screen too fly, yeah, riding in my spaceship. Watch how the bass lift, quit with your facelift. All the time you hating on me, really ain't patient. Ha, go figure, I'm bigger than that. I'm trying to feed them all, boys bigger than plaques. My sound with the mill, boys bigger than racks. Plus my partner got it close and it's bigger than Shaq. Show me all your energy. That right there, that's a remedy. I told her, show me all your energy. Middle fingers to my enemies. I done drunk way too much whiskey. How'd I end up with this girl trying to kiss me? She hella faded talking about she gon' miss me. I love women but the money too crispy. How'd I get on stage with this mic? Who the fuck in charge of that light? What the fuck's wrong and what's right? No regrets by the end of the night, go. White boy wasted, shots to the face, blacked out drunk.